Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to fix mobile keypad complaint. Keypad will be there in all keypad phones, so I am having a Samsung keypad phone. This is called membrane. When we open it, we could able to see a golden color board. In Nokia phones, usually they have a black board. This is the keypad membrane. If any numbers in the keypad or the hash or star button is not working, the silver color button which is here can be taken out separately and can be replaced. When we press the silver button and when it comes back to the position, it means the button is working in a good condition. If it is not returning back to the position, the button is not working. And also it can be replaced. Even after replacing, if it is not working, the keypad has connector in rows and columns. It will be in series or in a parallel connections also. If one is not working, all the other keypad won't work, or else may that particular button won't work. It depends upon the connections given in the motherboard. It has different variations. They will have a separate IC which is called as keypad IC. It controls the keypad. So this is the golden color keypad, and I have removed half of the membrane. So could you able to see a ring over there? The ring which is seen here is called as positive ring and negative ring. When keypad membrane touches this ring, the keypad is working. When this ring has any problem, it won't work. For example, if its number 7 is not working and if these are all same series, I can take the ground from here as a common line. So the ground, the positive, negative will be in this ring in the keypad. If it has a separate line, I should see where is the track line in the board. If you have a tracking sheet, you can find it easily. If not, it is quite difficult to find out the tracking line. Or else we should find it in this motherboard. So now I am again opening the number membrane. I have tracked it already with the tracking sheet. It is in the inductor. From their line is directly going to the last segment which is seen here, the golden segment. It is connected here, and this is the keypad IC which controls it when any number or buttons didn't work in the keypad. We can clean it with the IPA. This complaint can be solved. If not, I will take the individual resistor capacitor track and will fix it where it doesn't work and will do jumping process here. I am removing the numbering membrane like this. I have set continuity mode in the multimeter, and now I am going to check the continuity by touching the positive, and I am checking whether I am getting line to the inductor which is on the back side of the board. So we are going to check the continuity from the keypad. So I am placing it in the star button and going to check the continuity by keeping the probe in the inductor. So yes, the inductor is, so the continuity mode is working. So the star buttons continuity is in the inductor. So the star buttons lines is working here. So the lines here will be having the connections to this segment. Each will have a separate positive and negative. So for this segment, that is for up, down, and for the right and left, which I am going to show you now. So this segment will have the connector. So yes, to the up, left, right and down buttons, each series has separate lines or for rows or for columns. For example, we'll check the row to row. I'm keeping it in the ring for checking the row connections. But I'm getting the connection for the column connections. Yes. So this mobile has the complaint like the star button is not working. It has the line where we have to do the jump ring process. So now I'm going to do the jump ring process. As it has the complaint in the keypad, that too in the star button. Usually the star button or the hash button will be a keypad, the lock opening button for the keypad mobile phones. So this button is very important in a keypad phone. So this button is not working. We are having a complaint on the star button is not working. But the star button's continuity is in the inductor. So now I have done the jump ring process. Could you able to see it? Yes, I have done jump ring process for the star button. Now the mobile is going to be powered on. So this is the IC indicator. Which controls the keypad. So the mobile is powered on. Now we are checking all the buttons. So could you able to see now all the buttons are working in a good condition. Hope you all have liked this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And comment on this comment section. Thanks for watching.